dad, he had his Nook on the top of his car, and then he drove off, and then it fell down, and then on the highway, but he got a new one.
Oh boy.
And the case comes in handy.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah. OtterBox. Gotta get an OtterBox. It's filling with air. I see it. Is it going up? Oh, kitty, I heard you.
Now?
Nope.
Not now.
You're gonna light the whole thing.
It's getting really bright, right?
Looks like a Jiffy Pop popcorn. Yes.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
There it goes. Matthew, look out.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Livy. There goes my birthday candle. You know that's going in the trees, right?
No, it'll be above the tree.
Are you sure?